What's going on, guys? Marqus Zar here, and today I'm talking about, yes, you see it on my screen, CryptoKitties, right? And the reason why I'm talking about not cryptocurrency, but CryptoKitties, right, is because they just raised $12 million in funding, and CryptoKitties was popular, a couple months ago, and because it was new, it's a digital game on the Ethereum blockchain, right? What you can do with them is they are collectible assets, right? You could collect them, you could breed them, and it's a digital way of having you a cat, right? Which is big deal, because believe it or not, digital assets is growing in popularity, especially with games and things like that. CryptoKitties was actually responsible for the big backup on Ethereum blockchain, which caused high fees. It caused slow delays on the networks. It was just a hassle, right? You couldn't really do anything on the Ethereum network, and that happened a couple months ago. So now it kind of calmed down. It's not as talked about, because of all the different stuff that's going on in cryptocurrencies. Like I said, this space moves quickly and it moves fast, and a lot of people just is not in cryptocurrency at this point in time right now. So, but anyways, CryptoKitties is still doing their thing as far as trying to get back active, raising funds and things like that, because they see this as a, like I said, this is a digital asset, and a lot of people is going to want to play this, CryptoKitty game, and they're going to want to breed their own CryptoKitties, which is pretty cool. And I'm showing you this because I'm actually been interested in one myself. I want to, see how it works, how I could breed them, how I can trade them, how I could just collect them. And believe it or not, some CryptoKitties already has been sold for thousands of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars. So just keep that in mind, man. You can make money with these digital assets as well. So further ado, let me go ahead and start my logging in. And it's real simple. When you get started, you're gonna need your name and your email, and you're gonna make sure you save everything. It's an easy process, and make sure you have this MetaMask right here. I have mine. So in order to see this on the screen right here, you're gonna have to have this MetaMask right here. It's a Chrome extension you can add on. It's free. It don't cost you anything. Like I said, you can go ahead and get set up with this. If you don't know what that is or how to set it up, I am gonna make a tutorial on it. If you don't want to wait for me, there's already tutorials on it already that explains it. So yeah, that's pretty much what you need. And I'm gonna go ahead and see if I could buy a CryptoKitty, because I actually have about what, $2, right? So I have 0.003904 Ethereum. So that's $2.07 worth, right, in USD. So I actually have enough to actually buy a CryptoKitty, right? And as you guys can see here, there's a couple of them that's for sale. I can actually go to the marketplace right here, so I can get more or different varieties of CryptoKitties that's for sale. And they're actually a lot cheaper now. Like I said, when the game was popular, when the network was populated, these CryptoKitties was the cheapest that I've seen when it was popular, was about $30, $40. So it dropped down quite a bit. So you get some for about $1, right? Just to get started. And I'm actually gonna buy one. Let's see, which one do I want? This one looks pretty cool right here. Just brisk CryptoKitty. So I'm gonna go ahead and snatch this one up because I have enough to buy one. And actually, so this is actually an auction going on with this CryptoKitty. So time left is 35 minutes. Like I said, people could bid on this. So I'm not gonna bid on this one because I actually want to just go ahead and buy one, even though it's only 35 minutes left. but I just want to show you guys actually me, purchasing one with my Ethereum. So this one is an auction as well. There's one of them that I've seen that wasn't an auction. Go ahead and keep on finding one until I find one that isn't having an auction right now. So this one, okay, perfect. So this is the owner right here. They got their kitty. This is the number right here. So I can actually buy this like right now instantly. There's no auction going on, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit the buy now button and see how this process works, because like I said, I haven't tried this before, so you guys seen it firsthand, so you guys could get started too if you're interested in it. So by clicking the button below, you will transfer 0.002 Ethereum to this owner here for this CryptoKitty number 634391 will be transferred to you and return. Okay, by this kitty. Let's open up my MetaMask right now. And this is my address, and this is the owner's address right here. So I'm essentially sending my 0.002 Ethereum worth to this address right here. This is gas limit. This is the amount. So it costs about $1.06, right? 0.002, and got 0.002000, which is $1.06 in USD. Gas price at 2.2. That seems fine. So max transaction fee is 17 cents. That's cool. So the max total that I'm going to be spending for all this is $1.23, which comes out to 0.002327 Ethereum. So everything looks good. I'm going to go ahead and submit this. And boom, here's a list of your transaction. You can view the details on Ethereum Scan to keep track of what's happening. You requested to purchase this kitty. Hope no one beats you to it. Go ahead and view the details so I can see it on the Etherscan blockchain. So it says, sorry, we're able to locate this transaction. So sometimes it takes a minute for it to show up. Go ahead and do this again. And boom, just like that, it's going through the blockchain. It's going through the pending confirmation stage. And this is from my address here, and it's sending it to the CryptoKitties sales auction, the contract, which is this right here. And it pretty much, it's pretty fast. So I'm just go ahead and waiting for this thing to go through. It says the estimated confirmation duration is 6 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video, and I should have my CryptoKitty just like that. So yeah, guys. So man, just like that, it took about 3 minutes for this whole thing to go through. This is my TX receipt status, which says success. This the timestamp and where it was from, which is my address, and it's sent to the contract address, which says right here, CryptoKitties sales auction, and it cost me about $1.06, and the transaction fees and things like that. And go back to the home page, my account, and boom, voila, I have me a CryptoKitty, the one that I picked out, the one that I wanted. And now from here, you're probably thinking, okay, what can you do from here? Well, like I said, I can buy another CryptoKitty, which I need, and I can start breeding them. And the whole point of you doing that is you want to get a rare CryptoKitty, right? A rare CryptoKitty can cost a lot of money if you could breed it and sell it, right? If you could, do whatever you got to do, which I heard is pretty difficult to get a rare one, but once you do, they're going for top dollar, guys. So with that said, you guys seen it just like that. So if you guys are interested in this, go ahead and sign up. It's really easy to get started. Like I said, I did all of this in about 10 minutes. And this is the article right here, how much funding they raised so far, which was from big investors, from people who invested in Facebook, Twitter, and Coinbase, and these guys see CryptoKitties as potential as as far as the future, right? We're thinking about the future, and I think CryptoKitties are here to stay. And with that said, guys, give this video a thumbs up, give this video a thumbs down. All feedback is good feedback. And yeah, guys, I finally got me a CryptoKitty for $1.06. What a steal.